Hi, I'm Wayne Wilson from Meridian, Idaho. I thought I'd get on here and talk about my recent experience with Capell Flooring on Linder Road in Meridian. We've been looking for carpet for a while, and we've been to a couple different stores, and we weren't real happy with what we were looking at. We decided to give Capell Flooring a try. We went to their showroom on Linder Road and talked to Miken. She was really helpful. Did a lot for us to get our samples, help us with our budget, and get us lined up in the way we want, figured out what we wanted and had it done. When the installer came to install, complete professional. He did really well by us putting the flooring in. The job was done well, timely, and within our budget. I can't stress how much of a quality product they sell. And I'm very happy with what we've gotten from them. I would recommend anybody go there for any flooring needs that they need at this time because we were treated like gold. Thank you.